I'm super excited. Someone here is about ready to win the Millionaire Mentorship Contest. So that means whoever I pick on this automated random pickerwheel.com is going to win my mentorship. Now that doesn't mean you're off the hook. I'm going to do everything for you. This is a mentorship. So that means that whoever I pick, you are going to have some work to do. Once we pick you, you are going to have to find a deal, which I'm going to help you find. We're going to fund that deal, and then we're going to flip that deal, and we're going to split the profits 50-50. But if you don't think there's going to be any work involved and then you just won $20,000, I got news for you. You won the opportunity for $20,000 or more, but you're going to have to work for it. This is not a freebie contest. This is a mentorship contest, which means I'm going to get in there with you and help you and hold your hand. And the biggest thing is I'm going to fund the deal for you so that we make this money together and that you can learn a real tool that you can use when I leave you that could possibly change your life and many other lives. Like if you actually pick up this skill set and you make it something where it's not just this contest, but you turn it into your lifestyle and then you inspire all these other people who maybe didn't win, then that's gonna be fantastic. It's Independence Day. That's why we picked this day. We picked Independence Day to celebrate your financial independence by winning this contest. And even if you don't win this contest, you should be inspired and understand that we are going to have other opportunities for you to learn how to flip real estate. Let's get into it. All right, so. Joel, congratulations. I don't know where the hell you are or who the hell you are, but we are about ready to be best friends and we're gonna flip a deal. I'm super excited to talk to you. Congratulations, Joel Palacios. I'm gonna actually pop into my phone right now.
Oh,
Joel.
Yes.
You got a second?
Yes, I do.
You won the contest, bro.
Oh man.
So
Glad that happened.
yeah, we just spun the wheel, and I don't know who you are. We've never talked before. You're in Houston, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, I am.
I'm glad it's a big market, dude. I was hoping it's like, hey, congratulations. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
I'm an electrician. I'm a father of two. I've been working hard all my life, but I've always been working hard for somebody else. And I want to start working hard for myself and provide a better future for my son and show him the ropes and basically teach him how to do business like you're doing.
Sweet.
I see how you're doing on TikTok and how you're able to expand your company. And it's like, that's my dream for my son and being able to provide a better future for my kids.
Sweet, man. Well, that's great. So we will get together and talk a little bit more, but we'll make the announcement. You're the winner. You're a real dude, so that's why I called you, just to make sure. And congratulations.
I appreciate it so much, Mr. Curtis. I appreciate it. Thank you.
No worries, man. Good luck, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, Joel.
All right. You too. Bye.
We found our winner, Joel Palacios. Congratulations. Father of two, wants a better life for his sons. That's all he kept talking about. So that's great. He's got his inspiration, and now he's got his opportunity. Let's see what he does with it.